Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? Today we're unboxing another Oris watch. This Oris watch is a little special. We don't do too many ladies' watches, but we're going to be doing the Grand Lune Date and Diamonds Oris. I like the gray packaging with the boxes now instead of being the black. I kind of wish the middle one, the main case was gray too, but they're slowly sharpening up the brand here. But let's take a look at this watch. Wow, it's upside down. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful watch. Now this is a nice size for ladies. We'll see it on our model a little bit later, but it is spectacular. The little details on the dial. You got diamonds around the bezel. There we go. Closer look at it. See what I'm saying about the dial? Just stunning. And the moon phase, it's not just a plain moon. You can kind of see the craters and stuff in the moon. It's just a really neat look. So let's get into some details. It's 5-bar water resistance. The size of the case is about a 36 millimeter, which is about a 1.41 inch size case. And on the dial there you got 11 diamonds as hour markers, and then you got the diamonds around the bezel as well. And the moon phase, of course, is at the 12 o'clock like you see here. Sapphire crystal, it's a dome sapphire crystal on the top and a sapphire crystal on the back, showing the famous red rotor. The watch gained some notoriety after being worn by the Hemsley sisters, Jasmine and Melissa. They're well known in the UK because they have a TV series over there, and they have a restaurant at Selfridges. Because it's an Oris, of course, it is an automatic watch. It's got a 38 power reserve. What's also cool about this watch is that Oris has a selection with a lot of different types of straps, so you can pick your favorite. Here I have it here on the stainless bracelet. I like stainless. We're about around the water here, so it's a little more durable than the leather. And here we got it on our lovely model. Now her wrist is about a 6.5 inch wrist, maybe even 6.25. It's a little bit on the smaller size, but you can see how the watch, even though it's got a large head, it really doesn't overpower her wrist. And with the tapered band it's got there, it was designed extremely well. So you can see it's definitely a lady's watch. It's not like, oh hey, let's take a men's watch and just make it smaller. It was designed for a smaller wrist, but then gives you that big face look and everything. Oris did a great job with this one. Thank you guys for taking the time to take a look at my video. Hope you enjoyed.